we got this anime merch haul from Japan. Let's see what we got. So we got all of this stuff from Sarugia, and they have an abundance of different anime merch, collectibles, and more. Starting off, we got some Nikkei acrylic stands and a 5-pack of the rubber keychains. I had to get an Alice stand, of course, because she is one of my favorite characters from the game. Next, we got this Dragon Ball Z Ginyu Force storage container. It was only $5 and I got it so I can store my extra figure art stands and accessories in there. We also got this adorable Alice plush from Nikkei. Like I said before, I had to because she is my favorite Nikkei from the game. And last but not least, I got an amazing deal on this last one prize Ichiban Kuji Dokkan Battle UI Goku figure. I'll be having a review of that up soon. But that's everything we got this time around. What do you guys think? Let me know down below because